Good afternoon. I am Dr. Piyush Tewari, Director of Tewari Eye Centre. I am a cataract and cornea surgeon here in Tewari Eye Centre. Dr. Prerna, I am delegating her as the officer who is going to conduct this videographic tour of the whole hospital. Dr. Prerna.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Prerna Mata. Now I will be taking you for the round.
ये entrance है.
This is the entrance, main entrance of the hospital. As we enter from here, there are wheelchairs for the patients who are physically disabled. On my right hand side there is a reception area and registration counter for all different types of patients. As you can see, there is a area for TPA insurance and the counselor who sits here for all indoor patients. Next to this is the indoor billing station for all patients. Right next to it is the optical counter, which is taken over by Ben Franklin in the hospital. There's a patient waiting area here. All the signages you can see are according to NABH requirement. As we go ahead, there is a pharmacy on my left hand side, which has all the eye drops required for patients' need. There is a lift, and I will show you the emergency exit. This is the emergency exit for all fire-related emergencies. All the signages are there, fire exit signs are there. These signages are there on all the floors, and the firefighting equipment, hose, everything is available on all the floors. I will show you. Now we will take the lift to the first floor, which is the main OPD. As you can see, lift also has all the signages as required. First floor is our main OPD, where most of the consultants, there are 3 consultant chambers on the first floor, and the waiting area. As I come out of the lift, on my right hand side is the cafe. Cafe is meant for all the patients and doctors, and patients can wait here also. As I enter the OPD area, this is an optometry department. Optometrists are there are 3 optometrist chambers, and there are 3 consultation chambers. This is the first one, which has all the equipment which is required for the examination. There is indirect ophthalmoscope, direct ophthalmoscope, slit lamp, autoref, torometry. This is the second consultation chamber. There are fire exit plans which are visible here, and this is the third consultation chamber, and this is the fire exit for the OPD. And as you can see, there is a firefighting equipment here also. Now we will be going to the second floor. Second floor is basically a retina floor, and it has all the investigations which are required for any eye patient. Second floor also has patient waiting area, patients who are waiting for investigations. And second floor also has a baby feeding room in case any lactating mother is there. As we enter, there on my left hand side is the chairman's chamber, Dr. Tewari. He is the head of the institute. As I enter, there is a reception. On my right hand side, there is a children's room and a feeding room. On my left hand side, there is one OPD. There is a laser room here, which is meant for retina lasers and eye laser for glaucoma and after cataracts. There is an emergency drug tray for any kind of emergencies. And there is a synoptophore. There is an ultrasound which is called an B-scan. There is the eye examination area. Now you see the investigation lab here. In the investigation lab there is a pentacam, OCT, A-scan and fundus flossing angiography. This also has a fire exit area, and all the fire exit plans are written everywhere. Focus on The hospital is NABH accredited, so we have all the norms in place. Now we will be going on the third floor, which is the main OR. Third, fourth, fifth, there are 3 floors which are dedicated to OR. On the third floor is the main OT. I will show you the main OT first, and all the 3 OTs are interconnected from the inside. So I will take you from inside only. As we exit the third floor, this is the first OR complex. As you can see, this is the anesthesia station. The PSC workup is done here. This is the post-op monitoring area for the patients after the surgery. There is a washroom for the patients, and I enter the main OR. As I enter the main OR, there is a wheelchair and stretchers which are required if required for the patients. This is our main OT, which is a completely modular OT. As I enter, this is the first OR. This is the cataract OT. It has all the equipment required for cataract surgery. There is a phaco machine, microscope, emergency drug tray, everything is available here. This is the second OR. This is the third one also. This is for extraocular surgeries. Squint and all the surgeries are performed here. All extraocular surgeries. This is the second OR, which is a retina OR. It has constellation for all the retina surgeries. This is our anesthesia machine. All patients which require general anesthesia or even under sedation, we have anesthetist for all the cases which are done in the hospital. There is central supply of gases. Now we will be going from inside the OT only. We have all the spill protocols, needle stick protocols in place. Now we will be going from inside of the OT only. Now we are going to the fourth floor. Fourth floor is the basically sterilization facilities we will show you, and we will show you all the OT registers. As I come out on the fourth floor, there is a sister in charge's room. This is the sterilization area. This is OT store. This is all the lenses, all the material required for OT. Everything is stored here. This is the sterilization area where instrument cleaning. Khani bhi aa jayiye. Instrument cleaning is done here. Instrument cleaning, washing, everything is done here. Once the instrument is cleaned, washed, packed, it is transferred from here to the autoclave. We will show you the autoclave from the front. We have 2 horizontal autoclaves. खाने में आ जाइए, रजिस्टर खोलिए. The 2 horizontal autoclaves. Once the instruments are out from the autoclave, they are sent to the required OR, 3 or 5 from the dumbwaiter. From autoclave, instruments are directly sent to the OT. Now we will show you some of the registers which are made in the OT. This is the doctor's changing room, male and female. And this is the staff lounge and doctor's lounge. It has all the registers in place. We have these autoclave registers, OT registers, cataract OT register, culture registers. Whatever is required by NABH, all the registers are available and all the records are kept here only. Fifth. Now we will take you from inside of the OT. It's connected to the LASIK OR. Now we will be going to the LASIK OT. Patients will change on the floor. Doctors change on the 4th floor. If they want to come to the LASIK OR, they come to the 5th floor. If they want to go to the cataract or retina OT, they go to the 3rd floor. It is all interconnected from inside. Outside all the ORs, you will see that we change slippers. As I enter the 5th floor, on my left hand side, there is a refractive workup area for all LASIK patients. The workup is done here, the topalizer. And there is a low visual aid area and consultation chamber. This is the LASIK floor. This is the main LASIK OR. It has Icon Contura Vision machine for all kind of LASIKs. Temperature and humidity has to be maintained well here. So we will be showing you the, okay, let's come from here. Pre-op and post-op area for LASIK. Thank you. This is the post-op area for LASIK. Patients can rest here after the LASIK is done. Registers दिखा दें. LASIK entry registers are here which are maintained for all the patients. This is the round of all the 3 ORs, that is 3rd, 4th and 5th floor. That is an OT floor. There is a washroom here. Now we will be exiting the 5th floor. As I exit from the 5th floor, there is admin block. Admin block has a room place for accounts, HR and marketing. Marketing team sits on this floor. There is a firefighting equipment on all the floors, and all the floors have signages for firefighting. Staff is trained regularly for firefighting and all that. Now we are going to the 6th and the final floor of the hospital, which is a ward. Since it is a daycare hospital, we have daycare lounge for cataract patients who leave the hospital after 1 hour. As I come out of the 6th floor, there is a conference room on the right hand side where all activities take place, which is internal activities of the hospital, any kind of meetings, trainings for the staff. There is a complete AV system here. There are firefighting equipments on all the areas. Can you go show it? Request the focus. Ajay. There is a biomedical waste segregation, which we will show you from the ward, which is done on all the floors. These are the red, yellow, blue dustbins. Biomedical waste management team is here. We have a committee for biomedical waste management. This is a nurse's station. On my right hand side is a daycare lounge. And there is a ward, main ward, where we keep patients after retina surgery or after post-anesthesia care. There is a daycare changing room, and now we have 2 private rooms which I will show you. One has a double bed, 2 beds, and one is a single room, which is a deluxe room for the patients. I think here we come to an end to the tour of the hospital. We have shown you almost everything which is required. Thank you so much.